Guys, welcome back to the vlog. So right now today is Sunday. So I'm going to the shop. Come, I forgot to make dinner, right? I tell her the place, baby's over, so I can ensure that my man have good food. So now I get on the menu today. I was just thinking about stew chicken with fried fish and rice and peas. And for just have it all down now, I do some right? We should do some carrot juice models. They can't hear me at the church, but they are. We have to serve thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the love. Alright, so let's go to the shop. Guys, when I reach home, I'll let you guys know that I'm stopping at the next shop right now to get some fish. Now I get like 2 pounds, maybe 2 to 3 pounds of sliced fish. It's for my little family, me, my sister, and my man. You know, my man. But I don't know my man. But
Party man, so you know fish and parakeet you have me man.
I saw you put on relax. You make no hot. No sir. Me a burn up. Look here. No sir, I'm going to forget time my ear. No man. You know how I wanna do it. Guys, let me know. Cause I wonder how long this is actually last. I remember that it's not like human here. Tired already. I'll do some wife beating, you know, Lord God. And then I have some video for go edit. I have like 4 videos to go and edit right now. So in the week I don't have to edit until my weekend. So that's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. This is my side. What you guys normally have for breakfast, let me know. I could have bought a video from there friend because you're clean and we have nothing that I'm so yeah. Guys, I'm gonna start pressure the peas. It's gonna take a while. Some person normally saw them peas overnight, but I didn't. And Chin wanted boiled egg. That's why I never fried the egg for her. In case you guys say, so where's Chin breakfast? So yeah. Guys, let me give you guys some updates now. So this is the fish, seasoned, and everything is marinating over there. Let me show you something else. This is my peas. It's gone in. Let me show you something else. And this over here is the meat. So yeah. So that's what's happening right now. Babe just leave out. I'm going home. I'm gonna do it here and come back. Right? So and China wash. Now I just opened that chicken and the fish, guys. The fragrance. Oh my, that smells so good. Like just I'll wait till the peas finish. Then I start the rice and peas. Then I cook down the chicken. So you know that fish don't really take long. And I'm just fry the fish with the sauce I made. Remember the fish, the sauce I made for the fish. If I do remember, I might put a clip on the screen, or I'll leave the card, or I'll put it in the comments description box so you guys can see how I made my fish sauce. Right? So I'm just here. You know what I'm going to do? Now I relax a little bit first. Catch up on some vlogs once I'm finished. What's this? Oh gosh. Yeah, so once I'm finished catching up on some vlogs, I'm going to edit my videos. And then that's my day. And then when they come back, we'll buy ice cream from the ice cream car. Guys, let me know if you use my code in ordering your Lulu products. Let me know, guys. Support the movement, guys. Remember, Petagaye 15% off. Support this thing, okay? And if you guys want to donate to my channel any farm, my PayPal link is in the description box as well. So any amount I'll be grateful for. So that will be in regards to getting more equipment or either going out or, you know, to get some content for you guys. But yeah, I'm just doing it for the vlog. So, and smell like chicken and fish. Oh, and this time I do the rice and peas, guys. Hope I don't forget the coconut milk powder. If you guys remember that vlog when I actually, what I made that day? I think it was the same brown stew chicken, and I forgot to put in the coconut milk powder, but it still tasted so good. If you're a real chef, you can make rice and peas without the coconut milk powder, okay? And do you guys use a packet coconut milk powder, or you use a coconut and grate it and blend it and all and something? Them country lifestyle here. Let me know. So I'll get back to you guys soon. Guys, be clear on the hairstyle again. Guys, be pay moon and it'll look like that. Why? Why you think so? But right side look alright. That's on my camera. So yeah. Oh, my rice and peas pot is looking, you know, pimento of in there, green pepper, put a little butter, scallion thyme, the peas are bubble to salt, and yeah. My chicken finished. Doing this right here for the fish over here, and the rice and peas is here. So yeah. And the rain falling outside. So that's what's up. Okay, so this is my dinner. It's done by me. Okay, so you know that rice and peas, you got the chicken and the fried fish on the side, and guys, this is the sauce I made. As I mentioned, to make this sauce, the video is already on my channel, so just click on it and you could have told me. Baby, so wait a little bit now. Then we'll go buy ice cream and then we'll get them. So that's what's up. What do you guys have for Sunday there? Let me know in the comment section. And if so, why did you offer me any? Like, why? So guys, remember to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, all my social. The links are in the description box. Please look in the description box. Thank you. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Maybe we're going to ice cream, or if we're doing something fun. Okay. Guys, wait here. So like after the food, I don't know what to do, but for me, I doze off a bit. Then management call me talking about YouTube related stuff. So right now we're actually going to buy some ice cream, and then babe never come on the road. He's just not moving. Yeah, of course, if them can't hear. But they have like a while ago, you know, look at come hear me. I'm fixing my edges. Yeah, that's still for you. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, next I like some girls can't walk like. Yeah, in a life, in a day. In a night. In a day. I look good. From here to my always with me. So we get back to you. This is a shop. We're gonna buy the ice cream. So yeah. Melon sweet too.
Yeah.
So I just bought some melon sweetie. Remember it's from primary school days? Like you might remember. We were all our ice cream. Mine too. Yeah, what I'm doing right now, I'm actually replying back to all my comments right now before I go to bed. Big up you, Rennie. Big up yourself. Reply. It was, I think I like everybody commented already from morning. Yeah, so big up everybody who comments, big up all the notification squad, and just big up on the side real like, oh my god. So I'm gonna just finish reply. Hair looks very nice. I'm gonna reply. Thank you. I just reply to all these and then I go to my bed. So thank you guys everyone. for the love and constant support. So yes, that's for my head cooking. So today was a lot of cooking, but yeah. So I'm actually coming this to end the vlog, guys. Remember to use my discount code Petagaye for 15% off on your Lulu holistic products. Yeah, you big up yourself. Remember to get me to 5k. Once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. And follow me on all my socials. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and so forth. And big up on yourself. Remember, if you reach this far and you have not subscribed, remember to go ahead and give my channel a subscribe. So and tell a friend to come out to Petagaye Lifeline, right? So thank you again, guys, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So bye.